What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about Christmas trees, and then specifically, we're gonna be talking about how to shear them. Now, I'm here at the Christmas tree farm right now, and since it's around mid-July, it's time to actually start getting these trees pruned. I mean, right now is the pruning season for Norway spruce, which is the primary Christmas tree I have at this property. But really, this shearing technique is for anyone. The main tool we're gonna use today is just a 18-inch long blade and some hand pruners, which you can go to the link in my bio to pick up your very own pair. These are very, very quality. I love these. Before getting into it, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. So the thing to really know about is that the iconic Christmas tree cone shape is not really how they naturally grow. So you have to do all sorts of shearing and pruning to make sure that every single year your Christmas tree is, the right shape and the right size. Now, the way that I do it, I take my 18-inch blade, and what I do is I kind of just cut around it like that, like keep an angle to it. So what you do is you follow around the entire tree. You make sure that the entire tree is even all the way around. That way it won't, be lopsided or whatever. So the next thing to do is use your handy pruning shears, which you can get with the link in my bio. Like I said before, they're very, very handy. And make sure when you're doing it is you leave like a bud like right below it, and then just cut it in half right there like that. Now, unlike a lot of other trees, Christmas trees actually grow literally all year round. So whether it's the dead of winter or the beginning of summer like we are right now, they grow like crazy, especially during these months like July and August. So it's best to prune them actually more than once this season, because you'll see a lot of new growth. Now I'm doing a pretty basic job right now, and depending on the size of the Christmas tree, of course, will depend on how long you actually have to take to prune the tree. Now I'm not gonna make some super in-depth detailed video about finding the right leader and cutting it right at the right buds, but the main thing to really keep in mind is just to keep the shape of the cone and to keep it even on either sides, and to also make sure to shear, especially during July. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed the video and that you learned something new about how to shear your Christmas trees. If you're new to this channel, my name's Graham. I'm 25 years old. I just inherited a Christmas tree farm, and you're watching Novice Farmer. Please make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Are we supposed to know what we're doing? No? Great. Just checking.